everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? And how has your week been? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy to help you poop out all of those bad fats and be healthy, be clean out all of those colon and have an healthy life, literally. Okay, so this drink is an amazing drink and it works like magic. All right, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and now let's go. All right guys, so I'm gonna be giving you a fat burning remedy that will help you to poop out all those bad fats and have your tummy looking flat again. Okay, so the first ingredient you're going to be needing is apple cider vinegar. Now when you're using apple cider vinegar, you would have to use the organic apple cider vinegar, okay, and it has to be the one that contains the mother, and also it has to be unfiltered. All right, so apple cider vinegar is a great ingredient when it comes to reducing or removing belly fat or general body weight. So we're going to be needing this a whole lot for this particular ingredient. So what we're going to be needing now is a glass, and we're going to be taking 2 cups of this apple cider vinegar. Okay, so 2 cups for each glass of it is perfect, yeah? Okay guys, so the very next ingredient, which is actually very important and needed for this, is lemon. Lemon is citric in nature, and as such it is actually very helpful when it comes to belly fat. And since you're going to be pulling out a whole lot, you are definitely going to be needing this lemon, yeah? So what I'll do, I'll bring in my glass, and since I have a half cup of lemon here, I'm going to be squeezing the lemon juice in this cup already. So you need a reasonable quantity of orange for this. And here you go. So we're gonna be mixing it just like this, okay? And then the very next ingredient, which we're gonna be needing, is this, and this is green tea. So we have here warm water. Your water has to be warm, or rather hot enough for you to drink, not the one that is going to burn your mouth. So green tea is an amazing ingredient that helps you so much when it comes to slimming down. So if you're actually aiming to slim down, and green tea helps you slim down, it helps to cut down your fat, you know. It also helps to make you reduce in terms of intake of food. But of course, when you're taking green tea, you have to take it this way, because if you take only green tea, for me, when I take only green tea, it actually makes me feel a lot lighter. But you need to feel normal, you need to feel as if you're full, so that you won't have to be eating too much. So that's why you'll be needing green tea. And then you're gonna be putting it inside the hot water, just like what I just did now. This water is actually hot, and I'm gonna be leaving it there for just a little while. And we're also going to be needing another bag of tea, which is this is Lipton Tea. Okay, so I've been needing Lipton Tea. Now, ever since Lipton Tea exists, it's great for slimming down. The taste is great because it doesn't taste bad. and it helps you to eat less. Okay, so we're equally going to be putting the Lipton tea in the hot water cup where we are having the green tea, and we're gonna be keeping it for a little while, for at least 3 minutes or thereabouts. Let it induce together, and while waiting we'll have to do it this way. Okay, so the brownness actually comes mostly from the Lipton tea, because when Lipton tea get into hot water, the brownness comes out really quick compared to the green tea. But mixing this together is bomb, guys. It's actually gonna make you poop, so be ready to poop out all of those bad fat, cholesterol, and clean up your colon with this stomach reduction tea. Okay guys, so after which I've actually done it this way, I'll be pressing it out. Well, since I'm actually the one drinking it, that's why I'm using my hands to do that. So if you're doing yours, you do yours your own way. Alright, so this is my lemon and apple cider vinegar. Alright, so now what I'll do now, I would have to be turning that into it. Yeah, and then after that is done, then we have to stir it. Guys, if you're aiming to remove all of those fat and poop out all of those cholesterol and poop out all of those things that is actually making you feel very heavy and tight, drink this. It's a very powerful stomach reduction remedy, and it will help you to poop. So if in case you don't want to poop, you would have to skip taking this. But if you have to poop, my dear, you would have to take this, because it's something that you would have to take in the morning. Yeah, when you wake up, you take it very early in the morning, so that before 1 hour you would take water, a lot of water, like 2 glasses of water. When you finish taking this particular one, you wait for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes you take 2 glasses of water. Okay, now after 1 hour or even less than 1 hour, you're going to be pooping out a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, so whenever you want to take this, make sure you have access to your toilets, so you can go remove all of those things in your belly, and you're literally going to be lighter, and you're going to feel really light, and you're definitely gonna be feeling yourself. Yeah, okay guys, so go give this a go very early in the morning, and watch how your body is going to go down gradually, because from the very first day you take this tea, it's going to deflate you, most definitely, like deflate all of those fat, because you're going to poop everything out. So you can actually continue taking this every day. You don't take it more than once a day. Sorry, you don't take it, yeah, of course you don't take it more than once, just take it only once a day. Okay, because of the lemon and the apple cider vinegar, you have to take it once a day. All right, and every morning or every evening. That means if you're taking it in the evening, you're not going to eat too much of solid food. Okay, so go give this a go. For now, I cannot take all of this because of my baby. Yeah, and go give this a go. Everything in here are edible, natural, and very effective, I assure you. So guys, that's it. Now this drink is great for the body, and it is also very ideal in cleaning your colon, and it's actually going to help you poop all of those things out, and you're going to be healthy, literally. Okay, so without wasting more time, go give this a go, and you're going to be testifying how effective this is. Now, if you're taking this drink, you also have to avoid some fatty food and some high carbohydrate food, okay? That way it will work really fine. All right guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to give this a go, and I'll see you again. Bye.